Superior Model SAC 3000 air cleaner. Simple, economical design. T-shaped air inflow. Air comes in either side of the unit, flows out in the squirrel cage fan right in the middle. The most economical, high efficiency air cleaner that you can buy. For a very low price in your shop, you clean up all the weld smoke, the haze, the grinding dust, all the ambient airborne contaminants. Simple filter design. Filters pull out from this side. Pre-filter pops in, slides in, and that's all there is to changing the filter. In, out, and on you go. Typical life on these filters are about 3 months on the pre-filter, 6 months on the main bag filter. Simple 3/4 horsepower, 120 volt design. It comes with an on-off switch, optional, or you can tie in, let's say you have 20 of these in your shop, you can tie them into a simple Superior made control panel. All the units turn on and off with one switch. 12 gauge, all sheet metal design, heavy duty air cleaners. You don't have to worry about any plastic catching dust, creating an electrostatic charge. We use all metal components for that reason. Let's say if you're using a resin dust that wants to stick to plastic, there is no electrostatic charge because we use all steel construction. Internally, we've got a direct drive, 3/4 horsepower fan, squirrel cage design, 3000 CFM of airflow in ambient situations. These are great for weld smoke, wood dust, grinding dust, brazing. These are great for a machine shop when you have oil mist or a blue haze up in your shop. We've all seen that. Use this unit, it'll get rid of that haze in your ceiling. The most economical air cleaner on the market, the Superior Model SAC 3000.
Introducing Superior's new line of ergonomic lift tables. 900-pound capacity. Any of our tables can be equipped with these ergonomic lifts. For those of you with different height of operators on different shifts, this is your solution. Plus or minus 18 inches on the adjustment vertical. So if you've got a 6'7" guy at night and a 4'9" gal working in the morning on the same table, all you have to do, press a button and they go up and down. So once you've got it plugged in, simple operation. All you gotta do is press up to go up. Very slow operation so you don't have any safety hazards. But as you can see, the range of motion is plus or minus 18 inches from floor level. These are available with and without casters. So if you want to put them on the floor, that's fine. Or if you want to roll them around to different areas of the plant, that's fine as well. We've got an easy operation panel for these. They go up, down. They've got 4 presets and they've got a memory feature. So if you've got 3 operators on 3 different shifts, 1, 2, 3, all they got to do is press their corresponding button and the table will adjust to their height. Or there's a manual adjustment. So if you want to go down, you go down. If you want to go up, you go up. Very simple operation tied into your 120 volt controls. Using state-of-the-art linear actuators, all these are IP dust rated. Perfectly safe to use in the dusty shop. These are all self-enclosed linear actuator tracks. IP dust rated cording, IP dust rated motors on them, perfectly safe for your manufacturing environment. The latest innovation from Superior Air Products, ergonomic lift tables. Introducing the Superior Model SDC2, the most powerful 2-cartridge dust collector on the market. 1200 CFM with a 3-horsepower motor, 1500 CFM with the optional 5-horsepower motor. Very compact, doesn't take up much floor space in your factory. Easy to operate, on-off controls, built-in pulse controls on the unit. We use a 120-volt digital timer board to control the filter pulse cleaning. Easy open doors. If you want to access the filters, simply open the door and there's your filters. Easy to change out the filters as well. Pop down these levers and the filter slides right out. MagnaHilt gauge tells you how dirty your filters are. 0 to 10 inches capability. Typically we change our filters at 7 inches of static pressure on the gauge. Clean filters will read 0.25 inches. Typical filter life is 2 years on this unit, 1 to 2 years on this unit. Available with a dust tray or with a hopper and a 30-gallon drum kit. Also available with a 5-gallon pail kit. With a horizontal system, you get dust layering on top of the filters. That dust will fall from one filter to the next to the next. With vertical filters, you're using gravity as your friend. Dust comes off, goes straight down into the hopper. It does not pile onto the next filter and the next filter and the next filter like some of our competition. That's the benefit of vertical design. NEMA 4 enclosure on the control package. Easy to access, on off. Superior is the only company in the industry that designs an internal baffle system in their dust collectors. Every one of our dust collectors has an internal dropout and baffle system. Not only does that extend your filter life, the dropout box removes the requirement for an abrasion inlet. It drops them out straight into the dust tray before it even gets to the filter. Only fine dust go into our filters. They extend your filter life well beyond any of that of our competition. Heavy duty design, 10 and 12 gauge construction. As you can see, everything we build is built rock solid. 1/2-inch hardware, 12 gauge construction, heavy duty design. Superior is the right choice for your factory.
Hey, this is Big Jim with Superior Air Products. This is our model SD23 downdraft table. Self-cleaning downdraft cartridge filters, 99.97% efficient, nanofiber, fire retardant. Key features of the table: easy swing doors, stay put hinges, so they stay in place exactly where you want to put them. You've got a built-in light fixture. Everything's 120 volt design, plug and play system. You got a 3/4 horsepower motor pulling 250 feet per minute of downdraft velocity. You can pulse the filters clean on demand with this button. So whenever the filters are dirty, it'll show you on this MagnaHealer gauge right on board here in the front of the unit. As soon as the filters need to be cleaned, they can be pulsed clean. Once you do have to change filters, easy access from the side, 2 hinges here, and you pull the filter right out the side of the unit. Super easy to access. Dust and debris, once it's pulsed off the filter, comes right down into this dust tray right here. You pull it out, you empty it into the trash, and away you go. Virtually no maintenance. Once a year, you change your filter, and you call it good. Perfect table for polishing, grinding, welding, cutting. Anything's going to create dust, sparks, fumes, or smoke. The other neat feature about this table is its triple fire protection design. If you're doing welding, grinding, cutting, anything that creates sparks, we've got built-in trays. These trays are impingement trays. It's your first level of fire suppression. Easy to clean, easy to access. Right over the filter, we've got a built-in baffle right over the top of the filter, so there's another layer of impingement. And the third level of fire protection is in the filter itself. Every piece of equipment we sell has fire retardant filters. So, air exhaust right out the side. Other than that, you plug it in and you're ready to go to work. The Superior Model SD23. Hey guys, this is Big Jim with Superior Air Products, introducing our newest model, the SP1500. 1500 CFM with an 8-inch arm, 1000 CFM with a 6-inch diameter arm. As shown here, we've got a 6-inch diameter arm, self-cleaning cartridge filters, so you don't have to worry about replacing filters all the time. Easy filter access, flip of a couple levers, and you're into your filters. Filters are slide in, no need to worry about bolting on anything. They slide in, clamp in place, and away you go. Simple design, those levers back in place. On the end here, we've got a built-in mini helix gauge, 0 to 5 inches. You can tell how dirty your filters are, when it's time to clean the filters, and when it's time to replace the filters. Everything gets pulsed off into this nice, easy to operate dust tray. So pull the tray out, empty it into your trash barrel, and get back to work. This model cleans on demand. Push button pull cycle right here whenever you need to clean the filters. Typical filter life is going to run you 8 months to a year. Easiest arm in the marketplace to operate, stays in position wherever you put it. If you need to draw air from down low, you can do it. You can draw air up high, either way. Wherever you put the arm, it's going to stay in place. Easy to operate, 110 power, on, off, and pulse on demand. This little button here, press it, it's going to clean your filters off via compressed air. Air is exhausted out the side of the unit. We're cleaning at 99.97% efficiency. Built-in, standard, nanofiber fire retardant cartridges. Remember, at Superior, we suck, and that's a good thing. Give me a call today. Or email Jim at Superior Air Products. We'll get you guys squared away. Thanks.